Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm here in Braille's kitchen cooking up a 1-pot something in coconut milk. So look what Bev Brown is doing, 1 pot in the country here. So these are the ingredients. So I have in cabbage, carrots, scallion, onion. What else I miss out? Right. So I'm gonna add them to the coconut milk. So I'm gonna throw in the ingredients. So that's cabbage, carrot, and the seasoning added to the coconut milk. So I'm gonna dice up this pumpkin, put it in my 1 pot country life, right? Welcome to the country. Show no country life, how we deal with it, you know? Not the real country style, no nice style now, alright? And as you can see right there, you know what I'm gonna do too. I'm gonna do some blending. Yeah, so the pot is boiling, the cabbage, and so I'm gonna have the pumpkin. Right. So yes, this is the rice that I'm gonna use in my 1 pot cooking. So this rice we get it from church. So it's having the veggie chunks already, plus this brown thing that you're looking at is the veggie chunks diced up fine, plus it having carrot and all of those things, and it well seasoned, having a lot of salt, so I don't have to add any salt to the pot. So yeah, go and wash Bev Brown. As I throw it in, you don't have to wash it, you wash, everything is in it already, this pot. What it named, yeah. Alright. So yes, I'm gonna throw, right, so I'm pouring the rice inside the pot. So yeah man, put in the rice and stir it up with all the ingredients in it, well seasoned. Yeah, keep watching. Yeah, so it's cooking. 1 pot cooking with Bev Brown and blending also. So this is the oats that I soak in hot water. Yeah, so I'm gonna do some blending up. So yes, I'm gonna check the pot to see what is going on. Yeah, bubbling nicely. Yeah, the 1 pot bubbling nicely. Yeah, man. Yes, so these are my juice ingredients. So you have all of these that are going to go in my banana juice. So it's banana juice, oats and banana juice. So these are the ripe banana that I dice up. This is the oats that I soak. That's the dragon, peanut punch, vanilla lasco, and sugar in the jar, and the nutmeg there. All right, keep watching Bev Brown. Okay, so I'm gonna add some peanut punch to the blender. I'm gonna add some water to the bullet, I'm saying blender. I'm gonna add some oats. Then I'm gonna add some banana. I'm not gonna add any sugar to it as yet. That is nutmeg. Put nutmeg in it. Run out of vanilla at the moment. Okay. Still blending away. So yeah, today is a raw country style, no glass jug, no nothing like that. So yes, this is the second blending. I'm gonna pour it out. Yeah, strictly country style today. No glass jug, just plastic thing we're dealing with and calabash. Alright, real country life. So remember, it's ripe banana, oats that I soak, peanut punch, dragon. I don't put it in there yet because I don't drink it, so I'm gonna throw out mine before I put the dragon. And I add little sugar to it also. So yes, let I cross over now and see what is happening in the pot. Wow. Wow. So this video is a mixture of blending and cooking my one pot. Alright, so see what it look like now. Yeah, well. You can see the pumpkin and the carrots. Yeah, it is ready. So my one pot lunch is ready. So it cooked with cabbage, carrots, and seasoned up, and pumpkin in it also. Seasoned up with onion and scallion and thyme. Cooking the coconut milk. Yeah man, see him there, one pot. Welcome to Bev Brown Country Life cooking and blending. So it's all about how we do it in our country. Yeah, no nice cooking today. Just a rough cooking with blending also. One pot meal. Yeah, so country nice. Welcome to our country. Country life nice. Yeah. As I said, the veggie mince is in there, not strong. Veggie mince, so it cut up fine. You can hardly identify that it cooked. Yeah, but it is there. Veggie mince. It was already in the rice, well seasoned. Alright, thanks for watching me cooking my one pot meal in coconut milk. So yes, This is their juice. I throw mine. So I'm gonna put the dragon in. So yes, I'm gonna pour a glass of mine. So that's white. See it without the dragon. Okay. That's a Life with Bev Brown. And this is theirs. Okay, have a darker color than this. So one with the dragon and one without. So yeah man, right, banana with oats. And your dragon, your vanilla, your Lasco, your peanut punch, or your raw peanut, anyone you prefer, and your nutmeg. And you just blend it up, man. Blend it up and drink up the juice. Juice time. This video is a mixture of everything today. So yes, my family, this is my 1-pot meal cooked down in coconut milk, pumpkin, carrots, onion, scallion, and the coconut milk. Yeah, and the juice to go with it. Wow. Wow. And the cabbage, how can I forget my cabbage? Right, I cut up a cabbage in it. So delicious. Too much meat, not good for the body. I figure the vegetarian style sometimes, you know. And then you have your nice glass of juice to drink with it. Yeah? Enough nourishing things, you know. Yeah, man. Thanks for watching Bev Brown mix up video today, both blending and cooking together. Remember to like, share, comment. Thank you so much, all my new subscribers and all my subscribers. Blessing up and blessing to you all. And for those who haven't subscribed to Bev Brown YouTube channel, what are you waiting for? Please go over and start typing Life with Bev Brown and subscribe, comment, and like up my videos. Blessing every time. Miss Bev Production, Life with Bev Brown is here. Blend up a storm and cook up a storm. Real country life in our calabash. Yeah. Country life video today to show them what the real country life is all about. Yeah, man. Blessing upon blessing. Peace out. Love you guys.